Okay, in this section, we're gonna get some questions, some equations that we have to graph to solve for the value that we're looking for. So what I mean by that is, typically we're gonna be given two equations. So let's say, for example, x plus y is equal to 3. And we have another equation, 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. And I wanna know the correct combination of x, y value. When you plug it in here, it's equal to 3, but when you plug it in here, it's equal to 5. How do you do that? So we can do that graphically if you're given a graphing device. And I'm going to use a web graphing calculator called Desmos. Okay. First step is to isolate your y though. Okay, isolate your y. So you subtract both sides by x for this one. And here you have to, it's a little bit more work here. Subtract both sides by 7x to get minus 7x plus 5. And then divide both sides by negative 2. So if you divide it by negative 2, you're going to get positive 7 over 2. Here, negative 5 over 2. Okay, once I have that, I can say y is equal to minus x plus 3. And then y is equal to 7 over 2. Right, you got to bring up by pressing right. Minus 5 over 2. Okay, here they are. And look, I can just click on that. It'll tell you the exact coordinates where they intersect. So 1.222, 1.778. So the graphing device does all the work for you. The only thing that you have to do is to isolate your y so you can enter it properly. Desmos, in fact, I don't think you even have to do that. I think you can just actually enter it x plus y is equal to 3, and it just graphs it for you even in that, okay? But some of the graphing calculator you have to use in school, you have to isolate it. Okay, so that's why I'm showing you a method where here, at least you do some work to isolate for y, to get into y equals mx plus b form, and then the rest, the graphing calculator will do the work for you. Of course, there's an algebra way to do this to get precise value for this without using a graphing device. And that's a separate topic and separate skill. But in this section, this is all you're required to do.